What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's video I'm gonna quickly show you how to use the voice to text feature in here, which is a feature that allows you, for example, to type actually using your voice. Okay, that's how it sounds. For example, everything that you keep on saying will be translated into a text or will be converted into a text message, and this will allow you to send a text while speaking. This is how it works, and this is something that you can use everywhere, like on WhatsApp. You can also use it here on messages. For example, let's say that I want to text this specific contact of mine. I'm going to simply press and hold it. I'm going to simply tap once, and then here we go. Everything that I'll be saying will be converted into text. Now, this is a very useful feature here that takes place within our iPhone, especially if you are in a situation where you want to send a text message, but you do not wish to actually type. Let's say you're driving or something like that. This is the feature which will help us in here. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech-related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, in today's video, I'll show you how to turn on the auto dictation, which is also known as the voice text feature on our iPhone device. Now, it's quite easy to turn it on. So the very first thing in here we need to do is simply hop into settings real quick. Next up, we need to scroll down all the way to general down here. We'll tap once on general, and then under general, we're going to scroll down all the way to keyboard down here. So once we find keyboard, we're going to tap once on keyboard to hop into keyboard settings, type on it, and then next up you want to scroll down all the way to dictation. So you want to search for this section or feature which is called as dictation. This is the name of the feature here that actually helps us converting our audio into text. So here we are, and in order to turn it on, we just need to toggle on this little button in here and then tap on enable dictation, and there we go. As soon as you turn it on, you'll be able to see this new setting in here which says dictation languages. Tap once on that, and you want to see which language will actually be activated, so whenever you speak it recognizes. It's important for you to set the correct language, so every time you try to speak it actually picks up correctly, because if you select, for example, a wrong language, it won't pick up accurately. Okay, now in my case I do have two languages in here set. Okay, and because I speak two languages, and I'm gonna simply switch from one to the other one while I'm texting somebody. For example, I'm gonna hop into messages in here. Quite easy. If you are on messages, means raw messages without iMessage, the voice note button here at the right also turns into a feature to turn on a voice to text option here on our iPhone device. Now, alternatively, you do have a redundancy here where you do have this button at the inferior right corner, which does pretty much the same thing. Tap once on it and it's going to allow you to keep on speaking. Right, there we go. Now, you can also use the same feature here on WhatsApp, for example, or anywhere else. This is how it goes. We're here, simply delete everything that I was typing. Let me quickly delete it. Simply tap once here at the inferior right corner, and then there we go. Everything that I'm going to be saying in here will be converted into a text, and this is how it works. So this is how you can actually turn on this, and it's very, very, very useful. You can use it for multiple purposes in here, and it's going to make your life much easier. Thank you so much for watching it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any questions or doubts. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.